morning guys, welcome to Media's Online Academy tutorial. Thanks for watching our videos online. Today I'm going to be continuing what the mathematics Jamb 210 solution question 25 to what question 35. So I'm going to continue what the Jamb question solution of question 25 to question 35. So here we have paper type B now. Question 25 says that we have what? We have an absolute sign here, open bracket x3 2 7 equal to 15. Find the value of x. Now this is a what? A determinant. This symbol means determinant of what? Of matrix. And this is a 2 by 2 what? Matrix. So you bring it out. We have to calculate what the determinant of this matrix is, and equate it to what? 15. So meaning that what? To find the determinant, you multiply the leading diagonal, then you also multiply the second diagonal, then you subtract from one another. So we have 7 multiplied by x, open bracket what? Open bracket 3 times 2 equal to what? 15. So we have, what do we have here? We have what? 7x equal 7x minus what? 6 equal to 15. So by cross multiplying by what? By rearranging now or connecting like times, we are going to have what? 7x equal to what? 6 plus what? 6 plus 15, because that 6 will become what? Plus here. So it will be 7x plus equal to what? 6 plus 15. So we have what? 7x equal to what? 21. The Bible says we have what? 7. X is equal to what? 3. That's option what? A. X equal to 3. So the other one is also a determinant, but this time around, this is a determinant of 3 by 3 set. You can see it has 3 what? 3 row and 3 column. You can see it like that. So how do you find determinant of what? Of 3 by 3 column. So 3 by 3 matrix. So we have plus. You are going to write plus, minus, and then plus. You attach plus, minus, plus on each individual what? On each column. You are going to attach plus, minus, plus. So now for this first column, which is what? You are going to write plus, and then you bring out the 2. So when you bring out the 2, you close this column, you close this row. We are going to have what? Plus 2 into bracket what? 6, 3, 9, 1. So that is the first column. The second column now, you close it. It is minus 0 that is on the top here. So it's going to be minus 0 now. Now, after closing this place and closing this place, we are going to have 4, 3, 8, 1. So we have what? 4, 3, 8, 1. So that's that about the second what? Column. The third column, you close what? This column and you close this one through. You are going to have plus 5 here, plus 5. Open column now, open the matrix. Then when you close this, we have 4, 6 what? 4, 6, 8, 9. Now you are going to find the determinant of each of these what matrices to get your answer. So you are going to have what? 2 into bracket, open big bracket. You have 6 times 2 is this. No, you multiply this diagonal. 6 times 1, you have 6. Minus, you multiply this diagonal also. We have 3 times what? 9. We have what? Minus what? Minus 20 what? 7. Please follow. So the bracket close now. Now this one is 7. We don't multiply like this now. We cancel out everything here. So we don't have anything there now. So we move to this place. Plus what? Plus 5. Open big bracket. Now we have what? 4 times what? 9. We have what? 30 what? 36. Now 6 times 8. We have what? Minus what? 48. Because we are going to subtract that second diagonal from the leading diagonal, which is the fourth diagonal. So having done this now, we have 2 into bracket what? 6 minus 27 will give you what? Minus 21. Plus 5 into bracket what? 36 minus 48 will give you what? Minus what? Minus 12. So bracket close. So we are going to have what? So 2 times minus 21. Don't forget this is 21. We have what? Minus what? 42. Now plus 5 times minus 12 is going to give what? Minus 60. So minus 42 minus 60 is going to give what? Minus 102. So the answer is minus 102. That's option what? D. Now the next question here is what? It's a circuit geometry. You can see now we have what? we have a tangent. This is called tangent. The line here is called what? Tangent. This is tangent. The line that touches the circle is called tangent. Now we have x here, and here we have a semicircle here. This is a semicircle here. We have a semicircle here. The line here cut the circle into two. So now, and the semicircle, the angle here will be equal to 90 degrees. So in the semicircle, we have angle here to be what? 90 what? Degree. The angle there. So now, this angle here is an alternate what? Segment. This angle here will be alternate to this. When you have a tangent, the angle here will be alternate segment. The angle outside here is equal to the angle here 25. So we have what? Now you see, when you look at this very well, you draw the straight line, the tangent now. The tangent now has something like this. It has something like this. So this here is angle 90. This one is x. And this one is now 25. Alternate what? Segment. So now this is 90. You can easily get our what? X now by adding them together. X plus 25 degree plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree. Sum of angle in a triangle. Sum of angles in a what? Triangle. So that's the reason why I add them together. So now when we add this one together, we have x plus what? Plus 115 degree. 115 degree equal to what? 180 degree. So connect the like times now. We have what? S equal to 180 degree. Now take this one to the other side. Become minus what? 115 degree. So when you minus them together, 150 degree from what? From this, what we get? 180 degree from 115. Just quickly do it here. That is 5. This one remains 7. 7 minus 1 is gives what? 65. So the angle here is what? 65 what? Degree. So that's that about that. So angle here is what? 65 degree, option A. Now the interior angles of a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral has 4 sides, and each angles of the quadrilateral is this. So we have x plus 15 degree plus what? Now 2x minus 45 degree. So plus what? X plus 10 degree. Then plus, it has 4 sides. Don't forget that it has what? Quadrilateral has 4 sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and it has 4 sides. That's 4 angle. So the sum of angle in quadrilateral is what? 360 what? Degree. You can get it from a polygon. No, the sum of a polygon, the sum of angles, the interior angles in a polygon is x n equal to what? N minus what? 2. That is what? 180 degree. This is a sum of angle in a what? In a polygon. Now this polygon we are considering now is what? Quadrilateral, which is n equal to 4. So 4 minus 2 will give you what? 2 times 8. That's why we got 180. That's why we got what? 360. So that's that about that. So now x plus, now come back to this now. X plus 2x now give us 3x plus x give us 4x plus another x give us what? 5 what? X. Now 15 minus 45, it will give us minus 30. Minus what? Minus 30. Minus 30 plus 10. That is what? Minus 30 plus 10, that is minus 20. Minus 20 plus minus 30. Minus 20 plus minus 30. It will give you what? Minus 50. Please follow. You can use your own calculator to do it, which is equal to what? 360 degree. So we take this one to the other side now by collecting the like times. We have what? 5x now. 5x equal to 360 degree plus 50. So when we add them together, we have 5x equal to 5x equal to, now this one is 410 degree. This is 410 degree. So divide both sides by 5. Divide both sides by what? 5. So 5 cancel 5 here. X here is equal to 5 in 41 is what? 8. 5 in 10 is what? 2. So we have 82 degree. So answer is 82 degrees. That's option what? C. Now the next question here is what? From the what? The cyclic what? Quadrilateral. Now cyclic quadrilateral is one of what? One of the circle geometry in which the quadrilateral touches the vertices of the quadrilateral touches the what? The circumference of the circle. This is the vertices of the what? Quadrilateral touching the circumference of the circle. So find the value of x. We are told that what? If you find what? the value of x here. Now look at this now. In this cyclic quadrilateral, this angle here is opposite this what angle now. This angle plus this angle here, they are supplementary angle. This angle must be added up to 180 degrees. Opposite angle in the cyclic quadrilateral must be equal to 180 degrees. They must be supplementary. That is, they must be added up to 180 degrees. So this is now 188 degrees now, plus what? 3x plus, now we have 20 degrees here, plus 20 degrees. Everything must be supplementary, which is 180 degrees. So don't forget that what? Opposite angles in cyclic quadrilateral are add up to 180, add up to 180 what degree. Just note that. That's a law. Note that. So this is it. Opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral are add up to 180 degrees. So now we have 88 degrees plus 20. 88 degrees plus 20 will give you what? That is 108. So 108 degrees plus 3 what? X equal to 180 degrees. So you collect the lap times. So you take this one to the other side. What do we have? We're going to have what? 3 what? 3x equal to what? Equal to 180 degrees minus what? 108 degrees. So we have 3x equal to what? 72 degrees. So you divide both sides by 3x now equal to 72 degrees. When you divide both sides by 3, so what do you have? X. When you divide both sides by 3, x is equal to what? So 72 divided by 3, that is 24 degrees. So x is 24 what? X is 24 degrees. Option what? C. So that's that about that. So now, if two smaller sides of a right angle triangle are 4 cm and 5 cm respectively, find its what? Its area. Now, a right angle triangle is a triangle with an angle of 90 degrees. So this is a right angle triangle, and the longest side is called the hypotenuse. This one, the two remaining sides called opposite and what? Like I said, I was told that one of the sides, the two sides of a right angle triangle, the two smaller sides, this one is the longest, this one is the longest. So it means that they are not talking about what? The hypotenuse, they are only talking about the opposite and the what adjacent. So you just have to attach one to this. This is 4 centimeters. And this one is going to be what? 3 centimeters, because it didn't specify. So this is going to be what? 3 centimeters, this is 4 centimeters. So I want that we have to calculate the area. Area is equal to 5 base times what? Height. Since the product does not have any what? Arrangement. Arrangement does not matter in the product. So fixing this will not be a problem. So your base here now is your adjacent here. The opposite here is the what? Is your height. So half times what? Half times your base 3 times what? Okay, sorry, the other one is 4 centimeters, this one is what? 5 what? Centimeter. Please note that. So now your base is 5. Please take note of that. Your base is 5. Your height is what? 4. So 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So 5 times 2 is equal to 10 centimeter what? Square. So that is that. The base here is 5 centimeters, as I said earlier. Then the other one is 4 centimeters. So half base times x around over 2 times 5 times 4. So 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So 5 times 2 is what? 10 centimeters square. So that's how we get option A as our answer. This is our option here. Option A. So this option A here. So now, so that's that about that. So this one, we have an arc of 50 degrees, an arc sustained. That's the question 32 says, an arc sustains an angle of 50 degrees at a center of circle of radius what? Of radius 6 centimeters. Calculate the area of the sector. Now, when you have a sector now, a sector has two radius bound with what? With an arc. That is an arc what? Has an angle of what? 50 degrees with radius 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters. So we have to calculate the area. Area of a sector is given as theta over 360 degrees multiplied by pi r square. So we need that our angle here is 50 degrees. over 360 degree multiplied by your pi here is 22 over what? 7, because the answer was expressed over 7. So 22 over 7 times your r square. R square, which is radius. Radius is what? This is your radius here. Radius. So this is your radius. We have what? Times what? 6 what? Square. Don't forget your radius. So this one, this 10 here, we have what? It cancel this. 10 cancel this. It means 5. 10 cancel this. It means 36. So 36 here, 1. 36 cancel 6 square. The question is going to be 36. So what we have here is just 5 times 22 all over 7. When you multiply them together, what we have? We are going to have, that is 110 all over what? 110 all over 7 centimeters square. That's the unit of area. So 110, that is option what? B. Now the next one is what? A cylindrical pipe. When I say a cylindrical pipe 5 centimeters long with radius 7 centimeters. A cylindrical pipe like this. A cylinder pipe. You know, pipe look like this. Okay, with radius what? Radius with radius 7 meters has one end open. Now, one end open. Now this one is closed. The other one is opened. This one is opened. So now it has a radius of 7 centimeters. It has a radius of 7 meters. Now, what is the total? Say it is what? Radius of 7 meters. Then it is length. It ends. That is the height also. The length or the height. You can call it the length or the height. Which what is 50 what? 50 centimeters. So now what is the total surface area? Now since this is an open cylinder, this is an open, call it open what? Open cylinder. One of the sides is open, so that's why we call it open. So the formula of open cylinder is equal to what? The area, the cut surface area, which is 2 pi r(h) plus the what? The area of the closed cylinder, the area of the closed circle of the cylinder, which is what? One closed edge, which is pi r what? Square. So when we factorize out here, we have what? We have pi r in common, so we have pi r into bracket 2h. Now that's what we left. That's what was left here plus what? Ordinary r on the other side. So the whole thing here is equal to, now what is your pi? Your pi is, you have to leave your pi on what? On use, because the answer is expressed in pi. So that is what? 7 open bracket 2 times h, 2 times your 50. So it is what? 2 times h is what? 2h is what? 2 times h, which is what? 100 plus r, following this formula, which is 7. So bracket close. So total surface area now, which is what? TOP equal to what? 7 pi. Now 7 pi, 7 times 7 is what? 7 times pi is what? 7 pi. And this one is bracket 107. So when we multiply them together, the area will now be what? 749 pi meter what? Square. When you press on calculator. So that's that for you. So the answer here is option what? D. Now, knowing fully well that. Now, 34 now. Find the distance between two. Find the distance between the points. 1 over what? 2. 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2. And look at this. We are given 2 points. The first one is this, and the second one is this. Now, when we want to calculate the distance between 2 points, we use L equal to root what? Square root of y open bracket what? y2 minus y1 all square minus what? Open bracket x2 minus x1 all what? Square. So all square. So now, how do you now go about this now? L now is equal to square root. The square root now, you draw the square root to allow this one to mix up. So let's break it like this. Now, the square root of what? What's your y1? What's your y2? This x1 and y2, x2. So this 1 over 2, bring this into this one, and this one is 1 over 2, comma 1 over 2. And what? The other point is what? Minus 1 over 2, minus 1 over what? 2. So this is the second what? Point. Now this one is what? x1, y1. This one is x2, y2. Please follow. Now, in other way now, so what's our y2? Our y2 is minus what? Minus 1 over 2. Now, minus y1, which is minus 1 over 2 again. Then you square it, don't forget the square. Now, plus, this is supposed to be plus. Plus, open bracket, what? X2 now. X2, where is your x2? This is your x2 here. Minus 1 over 2 minus another 1 over 2, which is x1. X2, which is minus 1 over 2 minus x1, which is what? 1 over 2 as well. So you square it. This is 1 over 2. You square it. Square this now. So now when you square this, what's your n? Your n now is equal to now. So minus 1 over 2, this is going to give you what? Minus 1 minus 1, that is what? Minus 2. Minus 2 over 1 is going to give you minus 1. Everything here is 1 over minus 1 all square. Plus 1, this also is what? Minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 divided by 2. Because they have the same denominator. So this one is going to give you what? Minus 1 over what? Square. So that's that. So when you square minus 1 all square, what do we have? When you square minus 1 all square, that is 1 plus 1. Answer is going to be root what? 2. If you don't understand this one, this aspect here, which is root 2, try to search for the what? For geometry of straight line. I did the video on that, comprehensive video that will help you to understand what this very well. But this has to what? To go about it. If you need more information about that, try to search for what? The geometry of straight line. I did a tutorial on it. So I will link it in the video below. So this one is square root of what? 2. So this is this. So we have this. Now that's square root a. So square root of 2. That is answer is what? A. Square root of 2. Answer is what? A. Now the next one here is find the gradient of a passing through the point what? We have to calculate the gradient. This is x1. This is y1. This is x2, y2. So gradient is given as n equal to y2 minus y1 over what? x2 minus x1, which is equal to what? What's your y2? That is 5 minus what? x1. y1, that is 1. 5 minus 1 all over. Now what's your x2? 2. 2 minus what? 2 minus 1. So the answer here is 4 over 1. So your m is what? 4. So your gradient is 4. Option what? A. So we have come to the end of today's class. If this video has helped you, remember to press the subscribe button and notification bell. We have to send our educative videos online. See you next time.